We have told you about neighbors helping neighbors during the blizzard of 2022, but tonight we want to introduce you to a group of SPCA employees who spent the weekend taking care of the animals in their charge during the storm. Now, they had already planned to stay overnight with the animals Friday into Saturday because of the storm, but because of conditions and that driving ban, they ended up being stuck until Monday.
We're supposed to be here, 365 days a year. We don't stop for snow days. We don't stop for holidays. The animals have come first, always. Limited staff and limited resources for doing what we do. I'm just so grateful to all of them, and I'm so happy to have them in my life and have them here with me.
Fortunately, the Erie County SPCA did not lose power or heat during the storm.